This is Narwal Freo X Plus, a robot vacuum cleaner that is loaded with features like a zero tangling brush, 7800 Pascal of suction power, self-contained dust processing solution, good mopping performance, advanced obstacle avoidance, and other features. Let's take a look. At the time of this video, the robot costs less than $400. Check out the video description for the latest prices and other information. The device comes in a pretty nice box and the contents are packed neatly. Inside the box, you get everything you need to get started. The manufacturer gives you options to either use standard or disposable dust bags and the mop pads. To begin with, the Freo X Plus looks nice in this white color. The build quality is very good, the device is nicely constructed and it feels premium. On the top, you can find a rotating navigation module which works in tandem with two additional laser navigation sensors. There's also a power key and a home button. You can easily open up the lid, which is held in place with magnets. Underneath the hood, you can find a water tank and a dust bin. You can choose between the standard and disposable bins. I'll talk more about this feature in just a bit. On the bottom of the device, you can find a detachable mopping bracket, a set of wheels and side brushes, as well as the main brush. One of the key features of the Freo X Plus, a zero tangling brush. The problem with most robot vacuum cleaners is that their brushes get tangled with hair and animal fur very quickly. Narwal solved this problem by implementing a unique floating brush. To achieve that, the company used a brush that has a conical shape and 50 degrees bristles release hair that gets released aerodynamically into the dustbin via the floating end of the brush. This is not just a marketing gimmick. The brush never got tangled with hair no matter how hard I tried. This is an amazing feature which eliminates the need of constant main brush maintenance. Another highlight, 7800 pascals of suction power that assures excellent vacuuming performance. For the purposes of this video, I spread a lot of spices, black tea, cat hair, cat food, cardboard and other stuff on the ground of my apartment, and I was amazed by the results on all types of surfaces. The robot sucks up the debris very well in the main area, in the corners, around the objects, and so on. If you feel that the robot missed a spot, it actually follows its smart navigation algorithms and cleans the entire surface. If you have a carpet, the automatic mop lift-up feature works great to avoid cross-contamination. I was also impressed with the low noise even at the highest suction power setting. At the lowest setting, you can barely hear it, so you can just sit and relax while the robot is doing its job. The tree laser obstacle avoidance works well in practice. The robot easily recognizes the scattered objects and goes around them instead of pushing them over or constantly hitting them. In addition to this, the robot has a very good corner reach compared to many other robot cleaners I've tested before. Another highlight, Narwal Freo X Plus has the world's first self-contained dust processing solution which ensures up to 7 weeks of dust storage. Equipped with dust compression technology, the device self-empties and stores debris after cleaning, providing up to 7 weeks of hands-free convenience. To benefit from this technology, you need to use one of the supplied disposable bins. Once it's full after 7 weeks, simply throw it out. This is an innovative technology which has a lot of benefits over traditional self-empty station. The traditional self-empty station has several drawbacks. The cleaning ability decreases as dust remains on the filter, posing a risk of bacterial contamination. Further, dust easily gets stuck in the pipeline, causing further issues. Additionally, the self-emptying operation can be loud, and trash left in the box can breed bacteria and odors. The Narwal robot self-contained dust processing solution offers numerous advantages. It operates at a low noise level of 71 decibels during self-emptying and utilizes a monthly disposable dust bag with a filter to maintain cleanliness. Its U-shaped air duct provides uninterrupted high-speed airflow, ensuring instant garbage collection without clogs. Additionally, the dust bag air drying feature accelerates moisture evaporation, reducing health risks from bacterial growth. In addition to great vacuuming performance, the Freo X Plus mops the floor really well. While it's not easy to show this on these matte tiles, the kitchen floor was cleaned thoroughly from corner to corner. I used a standard mopping pad, but you can also use a disposable one. The robot always finds its charging station without any issues. You can use the station as it is or with a provided base to prevent the mopping pad from touching the floor. Before you start using the robot, it needs to map your home for the best performance and features. That is done within the Narwal Freo app. On the home screen, you can see your home divided into rooms, which is very useful when you want to clean a particular room. Also, you can choose the cleaning mode for the room or for a particular area individually. For instance, you want your living room to be vacuumed only, but you want to mop your kitchen. You can also set the no-go zones, schedules, adjust quite a few settings of the device, and sync it with Amazon Alexa for voice control. The battery life is great. The manufacturer declares up to 254 minutes of runtime. For reference, my apartment size is around 65 square meters, and the robot usually gets the job done with about 70% of battery left at the highest suction power setting. A very impressive result. All things considered, the Narwal Freo X Plus impressed me a lot. I like its excellent vacuuming and mopping performance, the anti-tangle roller brush is a game changer, obstacle avoidance is very good, and last but not least, a self-contained dust processing solution lets you use the robot maintenance-free for about 7 weeks. In summary, Narwal Freo X Plus is loaded with features and it performs great in practice. Therefore, it might be the best robot vacuum cleaner for under $400 and I can easily recommend it. What do you think about this robot vacuum cleaner? Would you buy this one or would you choose another option? As always, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.